It's easy to tell if a company has a strong culture. You see someone working hard in a difficult situation with tight deadlines. That is inevitable. That is work. Was it sometimes challenging? Sure. But the response makes the difference. The response is, man, that was worth it. We are dedicated to supporting our customers, dealers, and each other, to training each other, to making sure that it is safe to extend so far that anything is possible. Because we are a family. We are a team. And we are proud to design, sell, and support the best products in the industry.